Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today, y'all, we about to do something brand spanking new on this channel. Brand spanking new to me. What I'm going to do is try out some colored contact lenses. Yes. These dark brown eyes about to be a different color. If you're ready to go on this journey with me, make sure subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. So first off, I want to say thank you to JUST4KIRA for contacting me to see if I want to try some of their colored contact lenses. And you know, for a moment I thought about it. I was like, girl, you have never put a contact lens in your eye in your life before. So are you considering this? Well, I said, you know what? Why not? Why not? I do actually wear prescription glasses, and JUST4KIRA provides prescription and non-prescription colored lenses for dark eyes. And because I have dark brown eyes, I was like, you know what? This will give me a chance to try this out, see, you know, what it's like to put a contact lens in my eye and go from there. And you know what? Just like I like to change up my hair, you know, it'd be kind of nice to change up my eyes too. Just like I change up my makeup looks. Now today I'm not really wearing anything on my face because I didn't want too much going on in the eye area. Let me go ahead and show you what's in this box. Got the card here, and here it shows you everything you need to do to put these in. It does suggest you go ahead and soak the contact lenses in multi-purpose lens solution for 6 to 8 hours before use. They have this little case here. We have tweezers, and we have this right here. This is used to pick up the contact lens. This is gonna be interesting, y'all. Now, I have seen a few videos. I've heard about JUST4KIRA from other YouTubers here on YouTube. So I'm familiar with the name, I'm familiar with the brand. I'm just not familiar in putting on contact lenses, but we're gonna do that today. So I did see people just apply it with their fingertip, but I did see one video where they applied it with this little thing. Can I do that? Like just be looking up and just like plop? We'll see. So I have 4 different kinds that I chose on their extensive website. The website allows you to choose prescription or non-prescription lenses. It allows you to put the particular prescription for each eye. So if, you know, like me, I have 2 different prescriptions in my eyes. If I wanted to, I could have ordered contact lenses with 2 different prescriptions. So I thought that was pretty cool. For every contact lens, it will break down according to the style what they have available. So I noticed that there were some options that were not available for non-prescription contact lenses, and then there were others that were available for both, and then there were some that were only available for non-prescription. So it is very, very detailed, And when ordering, it was self-explanatory. It was that easy to do. And my package arrived within, I don't know, it's about a week and a half, something like that. Communication with JUST4KIRA has been wonderful. They have checked with me every step of the way, very polite and professional. So again, thank you to JUST4KIRA for sponsoring today's video. Okay, y'all, so I have just freshly washed my hands with antibacterial soap. I have to make completely sure. I'm going to list the name of the style that I'm trying on the screen.
I must admit, this was so difficult for me to do. I actually split this in between 2 days. It just took a while for me to figure out to stop blinking and hold my eyeball still. So, I kept trying. This is proof if you keep trying, you'll eventually get it. I apologize if anyone is squeamish, but this is raw and uncut. This is for real. This is my first time in life doing this.
Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. I did it. Okay. Let's do this again. Let's do it. Wow. Y'all look at that. Wow. This is, wow. Okay. I'm so excited, y'all. So I did my right with this, and I did my left with this, with my finger. Oh, wow. Look at, wow. Okay, y'all, this is Nila Brown. Imagine if I had some mascara on now. Wow. So what y'all think? It's on there. Can y'all tell it's on there? So this one is Nila Brown. I'm scared about taking them out. I'm so proud of myself right now, y'all. Oh, that was easier. Y'all, this is like I have just overcome something I was scared of. And literally, I used to be afraid of thinking about putting some on my eyeball, but I guess as you get older, things change. Wow. Okay. So that was Nila Brown. Next, we are gonna go ahead and try Vision. Why is this so exciting to me right now, y'all? This is exciting. I don't know why I'm so excited about this. Okay. What do y'all think? Okay, so this one is Vision. Okay, stop watering. Wow. Y'all look at that. What y'all think? This is Vision. Okay. So I guess it's true, the more you do it, the more you get the hang of it. Okay, so let's go ahead, while I'm on a roll, go ahead and try, this is, oh, I'm gonna say that to last. Let's try crystal green. Y'all, what a way to switch up your look. I mean, just think about, I could play off the color of these color contacts with the eyeshadow color. You can do so much. Whatever look you're going for, and that's it. It's the look. And if you like being creative like I do with your makeup, with your hair, add some color contact lenses, and they don't even have to be prescription, but they can be. Either way, this is so exciting to me. That's what that looks like. This tool, it holds it right in the middle. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. This is the most comfortable out of them all. So crystal green. Let's get the other one in. Look at the difference from one eye to the other. Y'all see that? Ooh, those are cute. What y'all think? Again, this is crystal green. Okay, stop moving. I'm taking these out like I've been doing this for years. Okay, one more. Last one here is Norco Gray. Y'all, for some reason, I feel like these might look scary on me. I don't know. You know. Look like I belong in some horror movie or something. I don't know, we'll see. So far, which ones do you guys like the most? Let me know down below. I'm really looking for y'all to let me know. For some reason, this makes me think I'm gonna have wolf eyes or something. Look at that. This tool is just, it's just so cute and convenient. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Oh, those are pretty. Look at the detail in them. Oh, am I wiping off my eyebrows? That's why I didn't put nothing on. Oh. Wow. These are the most comfortable. Norco Gray. What y'all think? Imagine just staring somebody down with these eyes. Wow. Let me put some mascara on. I mean, basically just wear this and some light mascara or none and some lip gloss and go about your business. This is the makeup. This is the makeup. I ain't put no concealer, no nothing on, no foundation. This is the makeup. A simple look with just popping in some different colored lenses. And I can see just fine. This has made zero change to my sight. These gray ones almost come off as a bluish tint. Thing is, they don't look fake. The levels of color to them, look at this, y'all. The gradient, like the brown into the gray. It's just beautiful. So again, thank you so much to Just for Kira for reaching out to me. I'll go ahead and list the information for each pair of contact lenses in the description box. Make sure you check out Just for Kira. These are affordable and clearly dark brown eye friendly. For me to try contact lenses for the first time ever in life, I am impressed. It's very true. If you're very new to it, the more you try it, the easier it gets. These are comfortable. Y'all, my God, I might leave these in all day. These are beautiful. Let me know what you think. Have you ever tried color contact lenses? Have you? I haven't until today. And look at me now. Oh, I just brought you something new. I mean, what you think, what you think, what you think. Anyway, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, okay, for trying this on camera for the very first time in life for y'all. Other than that, I will talk to you later, roses. Bye.